Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have more hot Korean fiery noodles. And this one is HWA Ramen from Paldo Corporation. Another new flavor of hot Korean noodles. And this time again, Paldo Corporation. One of the very best. And it's called HWA Ramen, which basically means just hot ramen. Hot and spicy. I wonder if this will be as spicy as the bulldog noodles. Let's see. Protein 8 per 100, that's good. Boil in 550 milliliters of water. And then you add the powder at the same time, so yeah. Let's see how it looks inside. Ooh, look at this. Build quality is nice, looks strong. And what about the flavors? It comes with 1 and 2 packs of flavor. So this one is some dried up, maybe like vegetable soup base, and this one is the hot spicy mix, but it doesn't come with the oil like the bulldog noodles. Yeah, let's go ahead and prepare it for eating. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye. And now it's time for the powder. The magic powder. Ooh, look at that. Nice. I instantly get this chili smell in my nose after I opened that pack. This soup base, some dried up vegetables. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And look at this. There we have it. We boil it about 4 to 5 minutes. The HWA Ramen is cooking up. Look at that. HWA Ramen. Oh, and fish sticks. HWA Ramen, fish sticks. Nice. It's time to pour it on a bowl. Perfect amount of liquid. Look. Nothing left here. Boom. Nice. It's time for the truth. Let's see if HWA Ramen from Paldo Corporation tastes any good. The smell Korean. Look at this. Ooh. 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 Can't wait to taste this noodle. And first time on this channel, I have some proper tools. Chopsticks. Okay, let's try the soup first. The soup will determine if it's spicy or not. The soup, I can see like oil on the top, on the surface, and also the pepper powder. Very pleasant soup, and then it spikes with the spiciness, but not too much. Let's take a sample of this noodle. Can't wait. Ooh. There's a lot of veggies, like many corporations don't do this, they put little veggies, but this time there's so many veggies. Can I even use these chopsticks? I haven't used chopsticks for many years. Okay. Very nice, pleasant texture on the noodles. Like it's thick. It's not breaking apart instantly. It's like you have to like chew it a little bit. It's a strong, durable noodles. It's not as spicy as the bulldog, I can say that. At least in the beginning. Let's see how it develops later. Yeah, maybe I should just have taken the fork. Look, it's not working out. This noodle, so yummy, so yummy. And the spiciness is, it's actually a very nice level of spice. Like if you're a beginner with Korean noodles, this is something you can start with. Like don't go straight to the buldak noodles, you will just burn your mouth. You have to build up your tolerance. And maybe this is the first step to building up the tolerance. I like this. I don't know what they put in this spice, the soup base, but they did the right job. Let's see the ingredients. So the dried vegetables are carrot, green onion, and then they have dried bok choy. What is bok choy? Sounds like some Vietnamese or Thai. Dried mushroom, red pepper. That's good, that's good. And now the seasoning. The seasoning has salt, flavor enhancer E621. They have spicy seasoning with chili pepper, cornstarch, and mushroom, garlic, green onion, maltodextrin, squid extract. So they have squid here. Kimchi powder. They have kimchi. Nice. Napa cabbage. What is Napa cabbage? And yeah, many ingredients here. So many ingredients. Yep, it doesn't matter. Am I holding the chopsticks right? Leave a comment below. But somehow it's still working. This is how I always eat when I was traveling in Japan and Korea. But yeah, somehow it's working. Are you supposed to use the noodle like this, the spoon? Like, you support the noodle weight, I think. It's so good. I'm not sure if it's just because I'm hungry or is it because it's actually really good. Because sometimes when I film these videos, I'm not so hungry. So maybe I give a little bit less rating to the noodles. So it's more like biased, but I don't know if that's the case. This is just really good. One of the best I ever tasted the noodles. Like, I'm not a big fan of instant noodles, like, but this one I would eat just on regular basis, like every day. I want to eat this every day. The soup is so good. It's like not too hot, but it's perfect amount of heat for me. And bonus points for adding a lot of these dried vegetables. Like sometimes they only put like these small packets of dried vegetables and you can't even taste them, but this time they did a good job. I gotta say, one of the best I ever reviewed on this channel. I'm getting a little bit sweaty, but not as much when I eat the buldak noodles. Like, that one is too much. Like, my forehead is fully sweat, like so watery when I eat buldak noodles, but this time it's only a small droplet of sweat here. It's a good amount. Ooh, there's a big piece of mushroom here. Let's take it. Are mushrooms considered to be a vegetable? I don't know. Yep, this is perfect. This is perfect. Like Paldo, they did it once more. Like, this is the serious contender to the buldak noodles and the Nongxing Corporation. Maybe Paldo is the real deal here. The Paldo, they make the OG tasty Korean noodles. Very good. I think I will give this definitely 10 out of 10. Not many noodles get 10 out of 10 here on this channel, but this one, 10 out of 10, definitely. I don't see anything wrong with this noodle, like it's perfect. Everywhere it's perfect. Even in the packaging, like, I like the design, look at the design. Simple and nice. Yeah, very good noodle, like, just look at this. I need to get this magnifying glass on my channel, like, Look how cool it looks. Look, let me eat with this. So. It's one of those TikTok filters now. But yeah, thanks for watching this review. Paldo HWA Ramyun, 10 out of 10. Leave a comment below if you like this noodle or not. And as always, like the video, subscribe, it really helps a lot. It keeps me making these reviews. And I know you love these reviews. Everybody loves these reviews. That's kidding, man. Nobody watches until this point. I have seen the graph on YouTube, like 90% they click after 30 seconds. So if you're one of those rare 2% who watch until the end, leave a comment and like the video. You're the real deal, the real bros, okay? And the gals as well. I have 30% female audience, so I mean, it's no surprise, just look at my beautiful face here, handsome, so this one is for you. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the future consuming good reviews. Thanks for watching.